Here at the cabin and take the dogs on a little walk, and we can go show you guys the crate. Come on. So, show you all why this place is going to be an amazing little rental. The dogs love it here. They like to come. It's somewhere where we will be pet friendly. Right now I don't really have to worry at all about keeping them fenced in, other than, you know, some animals being around. But it's just a short, pretty little walk down here to the river, and this fishing hole over here, well, it's a good one. And there's about, I don't know, a foot or so of snow on the ground here that we're walking through, but man, it's pretty. It's taken a lot of work. This property here wasn't taken care of for about 60 years or so. It's just been sitting here vacant. There's an old homestead house on here. There was a bunch of old outbuildings, corrals for horses. You could tell that they had run cows down here at one point in time, but just a beautiful piece of property, and we're so fortunate that we stumbled upon it and were able to buy it. But yeah, here we are. So, really pretty. A little hard to see in the spot we're at now, but over this way we've got a great view of Red Lodge Mountain, the ski mountain up here. Just a great little ski resort. It's 15 minutes away. Town is less than 5, yet we feel totally secluded here. Just a little bit of traffic on the road from neighbors and the occasional fisherman that comes on down through here. So, killer fishing hole right here. Just right here. I mean, just steps away from the cabin. So, if this seems like something you guys want to follow along with, there'll be some pretty awesome little updates coming through, and I can't wait to show everybody what it looks like once the snow melts.